Hi, I'm Ashley Evans, and I'm here again with Mike Zakel to talk about large format steel, the kind that most fabricators can't build, but data centers depend on. Like, why are lifting capacity limitations such a big issue for data center projects?
Most fabrication shops capacity out at 10 to 20 tons. That works well for small frames, but not really for large data center platforms, housing, and large format bases. When you're building 40 to 60 foot assemblies, you need large overhead lifting capacity that can safely rotate, weld, and handle the full structure. Ljungström's 100-ton heavy load bay allows us to build these components in a single piece, not stitched together in sections.
What type of large format structures are data centers asking for today?
We're seeing big growth in large platforms and maintenance decks, really massive airflow housing, structural bases for the thermal systems, electrical and mechanical enclosures, oversized duct transitions. These components simply exceed what a typical regional shop can fabricate.
How do size and weight capacity impact the overall design process?
When fabrication and fabricators really lack that capacity, the EPCs are forced to redesign components into smaller segments. That means more field splicing, more bolted joints, more opportunities for tolerance drift, more installation time, and more QA steps. With a high-capacity shop, developers can design this unit as a one piece, meaning it's stronger, faster to install, and with a repeatability across multiple sites.
What advantages come from climate-controlled coating and large paint booths at Ljungström?
Coating is really one of the most overlooked performance factors. In an uncontrolled coating environment, humidity, temperature, and dust create coating failures that don't show up until after the installation. Our climate-controlled booths, combined with our large format paint capacity, ensure uniform coating, consistent dry film thicknesses, and long-term protection, which is especially critical for outdoor applications at the hyperscale campuses we see today.
When data centers need oversized structures that require serious lifting, serious space, and serious coating capability, Ljungström stands alone. Their manufacturing scale eliminates redesign, accelerates installation, and delivers the large format components the industry can't get anywhere else.